factorization by using this format. Okay, if you are having a and C, so product of A into C is a product of A and C. Okay, so you are getting, if you are multiplying this, so you are getting a one term, 1 2. If you are adding this, you are getting a B term. That's the sum of term. Sum is your B, middle of your B. Are you clear? So for example, they given x square plus 10x plus 24 they given. Okay, so first term into last term is a basic concept. So find out 2 12s are I am getting, but each and everything is a positive. So if you are adding this, what's the value? 14. So it's not possible. Then 3 8s are 3 8s are how much? 11. So it's also not possible. Positive. Then 4 6 are. If I'm adding this, what I'm getting? 10. So it's only the possibility. So I can write x square plus this 10x, I can split 4x plus 6x plus 24. If you are having everything is a positive means, so addition should be positive. Okay, so this is a term. So in this place xx, so I am taking this x common, so x is common, so balance I am having a 1x plus 4. In this place 6 into 1, in this place 6 into 4, 6 taking common plus 6 is common, so what I am having x plus, so balance is my 4. So I can take x plus 4 common, x plus 6. Okay, this is a one method. Then the second question, x square plus 4z minus 12. The same process. The before sum is a full is positive, but in this place the fine is a first term and last term. So I am getting a minus 12. So what they mention, addition of, so multiplication to get minus 12. The same 2 6 are I am getting a 6. In this place minus. So plus into minus only you are getting a minus, or minus into plus only you are getting a minus. Okay, so I can write minus 2 into 6. What I am getting? Plus 4. Correct? Because depends upon the middle term. So middle term is positive means my greater symbol is a positive. So I am getting a plus 4. So I can write in this place z square, that 4z I can write minus 2z. Otherwise if you want to write 6z minus 2z minus 12, it's also okay, no problem. Okay, so I can take z common, so balance 1z is gone means balance z plus 1z is gone, so 6. In this place I can take 2 common, minus 2 is common, so both is a negative, both having a positive. Z minus into 6 are you are getting a value, right? So in this place 2 6, so 2 is gone means I am having a plus 6, right? So z plus 6, z plus 6 is a common, so I am having a z minus 2. The same process, p square minus 6p minus 16. So what I am having, so first term last term multiplication is a minus 16, sum of this value minus 8 plus 2, because the middle, so your last value is negative means what is the possibility? Plus into minus, minus into plus 1 is the possibility. So obviously one value should be negative, one value is a positive. So in 2 table I can write 2 8s are, okay, 2 8s are I am saying getting a 16, but I need a minus 6. If I am putting a greater symbol as a minus means I can get minus 6, right? So I can write that minus 6 is nothing but p square plus 2p minus 8p minus 16. Are you clear? Because I am having, if you are adding this, you are getting again minus 6 only. So p square, p taking a p common, so p plus 2 in this place taking minus 8. 8 2s are, so this 8 and this 8 is gone. So balance is a minus is going out means plus p, minus is changing plus. So balance 2, what you are having? P plus 2 into p minus 8 is one of the possibility. So if they given like this, t square plus 72 minus 17t, so you should write in the quadratic form. First one is a square, next one is a power 1, next one is a constant. So write it in that form. So what they asking, so I am having middle is a 17, the same first term last term 72. So in this place you can use minus into minus. I'm getting a positive because we're having a negative term is a means middle term is a negative means. So I need my answer. Addition answer is my negative. So multiplication of both squares and both minus is a positive. Correct. So minus into minus plus, 8 9s are 72. So if I am adding this, minus 17. So minus 17, how can I write? T square minus 80 minus 90 plus 72. Okay, depends upon the sign only you are taking the middle value. So in this place I am taking t common. So t minus 8. So in this place I am taking 9. We already know 72, 9 8s are 72. This 9 is going means minus is going. So t minus balance 8 because plus changing to the negative, negative change to positive. So t minus 8 is a common. So t minus 9. Okay. And the same process in this place. So the first term, last terms are minus. Okay, by using the third sum, the same process. So the bigger number should be the positive. So 4 into minus 20. Okay, easy to write the 4 into minus 20. So I'm getting a, subtracting this, I'm getting a 16. So what you have? Y square plus 4y minus 20y minus 80. If you're subtracting this, again you're getting minus. So y is common. So y plus 4. So minus, I'm getting a 20 common. So y. So 4 into 20, right? So 20 is going out. So plus 4 because I already taken a 4 common out. So y plus 4, then y minus 20. It's very easy to write now. Then in this place you can write 10 plus 10a minus. The same process, bigger number. You are taking a product. The bigger numbers are positive, then only your middle should be positive. You can find out. The second question, 2a square plus 9a plus 10. Okay, it's not tally for your identity formula only. We are using this formula. Before sum only, the previous first sum, right? That's only you will do this. Okay. So then I am having a 5x square minus 29xy minus 42y square. So I already told first term into last term, right? So what's the first term? First term is 5 square, 5. Last the 42, minus 42. So 5 into 42, I am getting a 110. So what they mentioned, minus 210. Sorry, 210. So multiplication of I am getting this. So it's the biggest value, right? I can't find out easily. So I am taking LCM. So 2, 3, 5, 7 is my LCM. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, I am trying. I need my middle value is a biggest value, means minus 29. So what is the possibility I am having? Obviously, so I need in this place also negative, in this place also negative. What is the possibility I can do? So plus into minus 20, I am getting a minus. So addition. So this format only. So I can write 2 3s are what? 15. 2 3s are 3 5s are 15. 2 4 7s are 14. So if I am, but I need a negative. It's not possible, right? If I am adding means I am getting a 29. But we need a negative term, so it's not possible. Then I can try. 7 5s are 35. 6. So if I am subtracting 35 minus 6, I am getting what? 29. But I need a negative sign. So I am putting a greatest number as a minus. Very clear? So that's why I am having my terms. My values are. So what is the value? 5x square minus what you 35xy plus 6x 42y square. Okay, in this place x terms only come. So I can take x into x. Okay, so in this place I am having 5 7s. So what can I do? I am taking a 5x common, the same 5x common. Okay, okay, so balance is x minus 7y. Balance what I am having, 35 is splitting 5, so I am getting 5. So balance is 7y. In this place y is common, then I can take 42. 6 6 sevens I can take. So in this place 6y common, so I can take yy. So this. So what's our balance? 6y is common means x is common minus 7. What is the variable you have common? Y. Are you clear? This term is common. So x minus 7y, what is the balance? 5x plus 6y is common. Okay. So by using the fourth sum, same process, 8x square minus 18x plus 9. So multiply through this. 8 into 9, 72. But I need a, so multiplication should be negative, multiplication is a positive, it's a positive, but middle value is negative, so minus into minus only. So 12 into 6, I am getting a 72. 12 6 is 72, right? Then minus 18, adding this I am getting a minus 18. So I can try this. Then in this third sum, what I am doing, the third sum what they given, p plus q, sorry, p minus q whole square